it a parrot?
No, I think they're called parakeets, I'm not sure. This is Tom's birthday party. It's his 60th. He's from the US. And the guy who rents him and his wife the house they're in at the moment has put all this together so people can have parties and stuff. It's not finished because they're going to concrete that as well, but it's ready to rent, as you can see. And Tom's having his birthday party here, obviously, so we've been invited very kindly. We've met Tom before and his wife, they're very nice. So I just thought we'd do a few minute video, guys. We're not going to make it a long one because we keep getting told we're too long. Let's have a look at the food. My favourite, lumpia. Meatloaf. Hello. Oh dear, but this guy's seen better days, hasn't he?
This cute. Do you know this?
Yeah.
Watermelon.
It's watermelon. It's lovely. What's this now?
Cordon bleu.
Cordon bleu. Yeah, we'll try some of that.
This one is the
That's the meatloaf.
Yeah, it's very nice.
That's the chicken. And what's that now?
I don't know.
And that?
As fish.
What's this? Fillet?
Fillet. Fish fillet po. Yes, fillet. Ini po ano yun? I think it's pasta, spaghetti.
Pasta. Oh, your favourite. I don't think that's going to be enough food though, babe. Yeah.
It's pig.
Is it really? I wouldn't have guessed that one. I don't think it's going to be enough food. What's Mel wearing today?
What's my wearing? Go. Busy. That's
what
I'm wearing.
Some kind of trousers suit. She looks very nice.
It's Shopee.
It's shoppy. See with the price. So Tom and his wife's very shy, so I don't think I'm going to get them on video. But it's the very start. Not everybody's here yet. There's karaoke. I might have one song in the karaoke.
This one is
That one's I know.
I don't know.
Seafood. This is seafood. All seafood.
Oh, lovely.
All seafood.
So that's this is Mom.
Yeah, our menu.
Hello, Mom.
Hello po. I'm mother of Ditas.
Yeah.
I'm already next day. My birthday also, 80 years
Oh,
old.
happy advanced birthday. 80?
Warin po.
My
Oh,
God.
yes.
Narin po.
Congratulations.
Camarines.
Birthday on
18.
80. Also,
So I tell Tom na I will just join you because I have no like this.
So you can have a dual birthday party. That's lovely. That's very nice.
Thank you, Pito.
Yeah, sure. We're gonna get David, who's Tom's landlord, who owns this. So I've just said. Now I'm sorry about the low sound, but I feel very relaxed. So David lives here. He's not been very well for quite a while.
Hello.
Yellow. They're not sure if he's gonna appear or not.
Honey, how about we get the car here? We go back there, you think?
No, it's all right. Just leave it there now, babe. So what part of the States are you from, Tom? What part of the States are you from?
I can't remember.
You can't remember?
David?
No. What? You.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, what part of the States I'm from?
Yeah.
Seattle.
Seattle. There you go. So, I thought you forgot where you lived. Where you come from?
I thought you were talking about David.
No, no. No, he's got a bit of a hearing problem. I'm being serious.
My wife sent
hearing's
me
not
over to
good.
get you guys.
Yeah. Happy birthday. We will come.
Thank you.
We will come.
This is Chris. That's Mel.
Hello.
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 I don't.
I'm Christine.
Hello, Christine.
The other day.
Yeah, for about 10 seconds.
All right then. Shall we go back? They're gonna come over, she says. Okay.
See you.
later.
We'll come there.
When he's ready.
It is absolutely boiling hot, guys. The sun's starting to go down, as you can see. It's very hot. She wants a little square one. We've got to board a little room up upstairs and just put a little aircon on the wall.
Her birthday too.
I know, she's at 80 years old. That's lovely. So is there a lot more to come, Tom, or
What?
is there a lot more people to come?
I have no idea.
I thought
No.
the other part of that pig was under the table, but I had a look. It's not. Huh?
She's happy.
She's
Wait,
happy.
find
She's
your
seen the rice. Okay.
Did you find a boyfriend here already?
No, she has already an apartment. This is her daughter.
Look at that place.
There's the rice, Mel.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
Any occasion, parties, whatever. My husband's still not very well. He's lying down because he's got a spine issue. He's a little bit shy. You know me, I've got a big mouth. Just sang him a song to try and get him going on the karaoke, but nobody followed me. Oh, we've missed a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
I got my wish already.
Sweet.
So cheesy.
So cute.
If I gotta dance, you dance.
Well, Tom has my syndrome. It's called grandfather syndrome. I dance like my grandfather.
I'll dance this song. It's either you or David I dance with.
Right, it's been really nice, really very nice. The food was gorgeous. So everybody's full and over full, and all the donuts have gone and most of the cake's gone. There's a couple of cakes that haven't been touched, but apart from that, the rest's gone. You can see there isn't a deal of food left. Well, there's nothing really. Even all the fruit salad's gone. What? No more fruit salad. American there. He's been here since, I think, 2010. That's his wife next to him. So here's the birthday boy, look. Say hello.
Hello.
Wish the birthday boy
Yeah, happy
luck.
birthday again, Tom. Hope you have a good day.
Yep, I did. Thank you for coming.
Hope you have a good day. Hope
Good day.
you've had a good day.
Good day.
I think that deserves a ball.
So it's over to my baby.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
Say
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Philippines. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out.